Welcome to Practice Easy English. 30 super useful phrasal verbs for daily use. Cheer up. Feel happier or make someone happier. I had a tough day at work. Don't worry, I'll tell you a joke to cheer you up. Dine out. Eat out. I'm too tired to cook tonight. Let's dine out at that new restaurant. Hang out. Spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. Stop hanging out with your friends. Focus on your study. Okay, I will stop spending time with my friends. Dress up. Wear nice or formal clothes. What should I wear to the party tonight? You should dress up in this fancy dress. Count on. Rely on. Is he a reliable person? Can I count on him? Yes, you can rely on him. Figure out. Solve, understand. I can't figure out this math problem. Let's work on it together to solve it. Back up. Support. I need someone to back me up in the meeting. I'll support your ideas during the presentation. Tidy up. Clean up. Did you tidy up the messy kitchen? Yes, I cleaned it up. Call for. Demand. The situation calls for immediate action. I agree, we need to take action right away. Fall for someone. Fall in love with. Did you fall for this beautiful girl? Yes, I fell in love with her. Fall for something. Be deceived or trapped by. She fell for his story and didn't realize he was lying. She believed his story without question. Cut down. Reduce. I need to cut down on my sugar intake. That's a good idea for your health. You should definitely reduce sugar intake. Find out. Discover, get to know. I want to find out what's causing the noise. Let's investigate and get to know the source. Live on. Survive on. With my current job, I can barely live on my income. You should consider finding a better paying job. Think over. Consider. I'm not sure about this decision. I need some time to think over it. Okay, take some time to consider it before you decide. Write down. Note down. Please write down my phone number, or you will forget it. Okay, I'll note it down. Be up to. Involved in, to be doing something. What have you been up to lately? I've been involved in a new project at work. Clear out. Clean out, empty. The garage is full of old stuff. Let's empty it and clear out the clutter. Put out. Extinguish. The candle is still burning. Could you put it out? Take back. Return. I borrowed your book a while ago. No problem, you can return it to me whenever you like. Blow out. Extinguish by blowing. The birthday candles are still lit. Make a wish and blow them out. blow up, explode. The fireworks display will blow up in a few minutes. I can't wait for it to explode. Fall apart. Break into pieces, stop working or fail completely, become very emotional. Change your shoes, they are falling apart. Sarah and John's marriage fell apart. When Sarah's mother heard this, she fell apart. Pass away. Die. My grandfather passed away peacefully last night. I'm sorry to hear that. Fall out. Quarrel or disagree. I heard that John and Sarah had a big argument. Yes, they fell out over a misunderstanding. Get away. Escape, move away. One of the thieves was caught, but the rest of them got away. Get away! Don't bother me. Go through with. Complete. Are you going to complete that challenging project? Yes, I'm determined to go through with it. Hang around. Linger. Why do you always linger in the kitchen? I like to hang around and chat while cooking. Hold out. Resist, withstand. Did the soldiers hold out against constant attacks? Yes, the soldiers withstood constant assaults. Add up. Calculate. Increase. Can you add up the total bill for me? Sure, I'll calculate the total amount.